Hi everyone, welcome back to Bougie Doll Life. My name is Katrina and today we're going to be taking a look at Mini Brands Fashion Series 4. So I got 10 capsules, so let's go ahead and get into it. Alright, so going straight into it, let's see what we got. So in our first ball we got, let's see, we're going to look at the collector's guide once we're done looking at the stuff that we got in the first one. And feels kind of small, so let's see. I think this is the purse, so we'll look at the accessories first. So for the accessories we have, ooh, this is so cute. Let's take a closer look at this. So it looks like we got something that looks like a handheld mirror, which is really cute, and it has a butterfly design on the back. And then for the next item, we got some really cute heart earrings. It's giving very much Y2K, and I love that. And I love the painted details in them, and they open and close in the back, and I really do like those. And then we got these really cute shoes. Let's take a closer look at them. So they have a little fuzzy pom-pom on the front, and I really think that is so cute. So let's go ahead and try these shoes on a doll. Okay, so these are the shoes on a classic made to move body, and I love the way the bottom of the heels are. I really do love that, and the little pom-pom on the toes. I think that is really nice. Okay, so now we can see what purse we got. So let's see what bag we got. And oh, this is cute. I like this. Oh, so it's like a shoulder bag that resembles a coin purse. Let me see if it opens right here. Oh, it does. Let's look at it on the inside. Okay, so here is the inside of the bag, and it has really pretty gold details, and I love the pleather material that it has, and it goes all the way around. I really wish Barbie would make bags like this because this is really cute. And then I also love the shoes. The shoes are really cute as well. So let's go ahead and open the next capsule. Okay, let's see what we got. All right, now let's take a look at the collector's guide before we open the second one. Okay, so this is the collector's guide, and it says Mini Brands Fashions Series 4. So let's look and see what we can get. And first we're gonna look at the ultra rares. So you see the cute dog. I really want this bag. I saw this bag on my Froggy stuff and I thought it was so cute. And then this is like a little makeup set. This is some really cute pink shoes, and I love the bags. And it looks like the bags are mostly the common. So we have some really cute bags. Oh, really nice. I really want this bag right here, and we got this bag so far. This bag is okay, but I feel like we've seen it in previous mini brand fashion releases because this pattern seems to be really popular. And then these bags here, this bag's really cute. I really love that. And this bag, it looks like the Create bag. And then we have some shoes. I really want these slides. So we got these shoes with the little pom-poms on top. Then they have some sneakers. These are really cute with the flowers. And then they have some boots. And on the back of the collector's guide, we see some little notebooks, a Polaroid camera. We see some accessories, some jewelry, some scarves, a hat, some keys and keychains, glasses, makeup. It looks like perfume, I believe, but this kind of looks like a nail polish to me. But these two definitely look like perfumes. And then we have the mirror, which we got, and a little compact and some bracelets. And then down here we have some more earrings and a hat and some headbands and a little bag here. And then we have two boots here. And then we have this bag right here, which I really do want. I think it's super cute as well. So let's go ahead and see what we got in the second. So first up, we got some cute pink sneakers. I like them, and they have laces on them. So we got a pair of these. Really pretty. And then we also got a small perfume. And it's cute, and it says MF on it for Mini Fashions. And then it also comes with this little, I believe it's a phone holder. It's really cute. It's kind of one of those wallets that you could put your phone in. And I love that, and it's so cute. And I love the fact that all this is pretty much doll size, so that is really nice for us to use this with our dolls for photos and everything like that. And I love it. And like, it has even a little camera in the back. Really love the details, and it says mini on the front. So let's see what purse we got in this one. Let's go ahead and open it up and see what we got. Ooh, I really like this bag. This bag is super cute. It has like a pleather look to it with a metallic, and it says mini fashions on the front. And then this is it in the back. Let's look on the inside. So this one has a magnet, and then it has the little tissue paper in the front. And then this is how it looks on the inside. Very nice. I love the magnet detail of these bags. All right, time to move on to our third capsule. Okay, so in the first bag, we got this cute little makeup set, and it looks like the pieces can come out. So let's see, this is the front of it. So let's open it up. So this is how it looks opened up. I don't want it to fall, so I'm gonna pick up the pieces one by one. So it looks like a little tiny, either like a lip balm or a eyeshadow, and it has a little sticker of an eyeshadow palette and a little brush that can come out. Next up, we have this cute necklace, and it looks like it's supposed to resemble 2 chains on it, and it has a heart, and I really do like that detail. And then wait till you guys see this. We got these boots, which are super adorable. Okay, so these are the shoes on my doll. It came out really nice. I think you can fit on the curvy because it does have a little bit of space. So let me know in the comments if you try this on your curvy dolls, and let me know how it fits. So let's go ahead and move on to our next capsule. So in the next bag, we have our purse. So let's see what purse we got. Oh, cute. I love this. So this is the purse. Really nice. I really do like this purse. Oh, I like that. Okay, so it has a little opening right here. Let's see. I think it's magnetic. Let's see. Oh, no, it has a little opening here. Okay, that's nice. And this is the inside. You can kind of see it. The strap is solid. It's a solid plastic, and it has like a cage type of plastic on top, and it resembles, kind of looks like flowers to me. And I really do love the style of this purse. So it's just a simple handbag, and it has little holes on both sides where you can put the opening onto it to open and close it. So there you go. And this will be a cute handbag or evening bag to go with a nice cute dress. If you guys do any doll events, this will be really nice. You guys, wait till you see what I got in this one. So the first thing is this cute scarf, and I love it. Look at the design on it with the gold and the lavender, and it feels really nice. Oh, I really like it. And look, it has a little M on the front. Cannot wait to style this on my dolls. And then we have these slides. Oh my goodness. So I recently got the Martha on the Mantle robe, so I'm gonna show you guys that. So also it comes with this cute teddy bear bag charm, which is really cute. You know, I have a little boo-boo, so I do like the little bag charms on my bag. So this is really cute to put on my doll's bag. So let's go ahead and see what bag we got, and then I'll show you guys the shoes on the doll. Okay, let's see what bag we got. Oh, this is so cute. I really wanted this one. So this is the bag that has like the 2 little ties. Super adorable, and it has a little lock right here on it. Let me fix it a little bit. This is so cute. Let's see how it opens. It has a magnet, and then you can take the paper out, and it has like a velvety feel on the inside. And this is the inside of the bag, and then this is the straps, and this is the back of the bag and the bottom. Really, really cute. I can't wait to style this. This will be really cute with like a tracksuit with kind of like the slides with some cute shades, especially with the other shades that we got. I think that would be really cute. Okay, and this is the little bag charm on the bag. So let's try the slides on with our doll. Okay, so these are the slides on the doll. I really do love it. And on the back, it has the Mini Fashions logo on it. Oh, I cannot wait to take pictures with this. So let me show you what I'm talking about the robe that will go good with this. So in Walmart, I picked up this robe, and this is for Martha on the mantle. It's kind of a different take on the Elf on the Shelf, and I think this will be so cute with those shoes. So I found this in the holiday section in Walmart. So let's go ahead and open our next capsule. Okay, so in the next one, we have these shoes right here, which are really cute. They have the cheetah print, and as you can see on the outside of the shoe, it has the Mini Fashion logo, and it also says Mini on the sides, and it has little black tags on both sides, and it has laces. So we're gonna try that on our doll later. And then we have here a lip gloss, which is really cute. Let's see if it opens up. Oh, so it does open up, and look at the detail. I love that. I think we got this in a previous series as well. And then we got this right here, which I think is supposed to be a perfume bottle, but it looks like a nail polish to me. Let me know in the comments down below, but to me it looks like a nail polish, and it's probably what I'm going to use it for in the dollhouse. So next we have our bag. So this is the bag with our bag. Let's see what we got. Oh, I like this bag. So this is the black pleather bag, and it's super cute, and it has a gold chain, and look at the zipper details, and on the bottom it says Mini Fashion. And then let's look at the purse on the inside. So when we unzip it, this is how it looks on the inside, and it's very spacious, and I love the size of it, and I can't wait to use this. And it has kind of like a print on the leather part of the bag as well. So let's try on the shoes. Okay, and these are the sneakers on our doll, and it looks really cute. I actually like it better actually on the doll, because when I just looked at it in the bag, I thought it was okay, but seeing it on the doll, it looks really, really cute. Oh my gosh, and I forgot to show you guys the pink shoes on the doll. So these are the pink sneakers, and it's really cute as well, and I love the fit. Okay, so let's move on to our next capsule. Okay, so here are the shoes we got in this capsule. I love the pattern of these shoes. It gives very retro 90s print, especially with the way the stripe here is, and it gives the impression that they're wearing Nike Air Ones, and I really do like that. I can't wait to style this. I have so many style ideas with this, and also this will fit a curvy doll really, really well. Then this also comes with a set of keys, which are super nice. So I'm believing we have the Create bag, just guessing off of the accessories that we got. So next we have here, we have a little, I believe it's a diary. Let's open it up and see. Yeah, so it's like a little diary, and it has like a Tiffany blue color, and it has imprints of giving a quilted type of vibe, like it's one of those fabric journals. That's what I think it's trying to show, and I love that. So let's go ahead and look at the bag. So I believe it's the bag that's on the front of the capsule. So let's see. Yes, so it definitely is that bag. So it's a teal color, and it has a gold strap that is a chain. Okay, so this is how the bag looks once you add the keys to them, and I like that. I think it's really cute. And you could probably tuck the straps in and have it as a handbag if you don't want to have it as a shoulder bag. And I really like how they use real chain for these purses. It gives it a lot of detail, and it has like a fake snakeskin print on it. Really nice, really, really nice. Okay, so the next capsule, we got these shoes. Now you guys, I really wanted these shoes. And when I first seen this on my friend's side, I thought these shoes were so cute, and they fit curvy as well. It's super cute, and I love the color and the style of them, and I love the fact that it closes onto the doll's foot. I think it looks very realistic, super stylish. And then it also comes with, I believe this is an ankle bag as well, which is like a small bag. It has pink with a little bit of gold detail that says MF for Mini Fashion, and it has a little clasp in the back. And then also it comes with a little duck charm for our bag. It's really nice, and it has like a little opening here to hook it onto the bags. I do love that these have bag charms, because then you can switch them out between each bag that you get with Mini Fashion. So let's see what bag we got with this ball. So okay, so in this capsule we have, ooh, I wanted this bag. We have, it's kind of like a bag that you push one side through the other. So you're supposed to put one strap through the other, and it's like this. That's how the bag, or you can have it loose like this and you could carry it like that. So it's pretty versatile, this bag, and it's open on the inside. There's no closure, and it has a cream color with it with the mini fascist tag. And this is the print all the way around. This print reminds me of Louis Vuitton every time I see it on a mini fashions bag like this. And I love the light blue color and the hearts on this bag as well. I definitely would end up styling it like this because I love the little knot look. I have a pink and green bag like this that I like to have it like this style as well. Okay, everyone, so we're down to our last 2 capsules. So let's go ahead and open the next one. Okay, so these are the shoes in the next capsule. And you guys, look at these shoes. Well, I mean boots, but look. I love the style of them. They're very stylish. They're supposed to resemble jeans. And they are so cute. And look at the heel. Oh, I love that. Oh, and it's like a dark denim, and I love how it's rolled on the bottom, and then the actual shoe has the same type of fabric. I really like this. So also it comes with some shades, and I really like these shades. I cannot wait to take a picture of my dog with these shades. They're super nice. And then it also comes with a lipstick as well. So it comes with this lipstick right here that has like a pink color to it, and the top is removable. Okay, you guys, and this is the bag that came with the jean shoes, and it's super cute. It's plastic and it's really nice. It doesn't have rose zippers, and then it has like a fabric strap. I think this is so cute. I wonder if this opens. Does this open? Yes, it does. That is really cute. I don't know if it's supposed to be like a across the chest bag, but I really do like this. And then it has a little tiny holder right there, I guess for the sunglasses. Really, really cute. I love this. Okay, so my last capsule is a duplicate of the, I believe it's cheetah print shoes, and the lip gloss, and the little bottle that I think is nail polish. And then right here is the same bag. It's the black bag that says Mini Fashions on it. Alright guys, so that is it for everything that I got in Mini Brands Fashion Series 4. Let me know in the comments down below which item is your favorite out of all the items that I got. What items are you looking forward to in this series? For me, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I'm still gonna be on the hunt for this pink bag right here because I think it's so cute, and I have so many outfit ideas to put with that, and some of the shoes that come with it as well. So don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell, and you can follow me on Instagram at Bougie Doll Life, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.